Alright, so these are Capcut AI generated posts. So you can generate even your thumbnails, any image of your choice using Capcut AI. So let me show you how to do that. Alright guys, so this is Capcut, you get my point. Now if I want to bring in a video like I normally do, you will see with me that I do click on new project. From here it will take me to my gallery, then I'll bring in a video. But now I don't want to use any of those ones. So you are going to come here, you see where it says all tools. So when you click on all tools, you are going to have things like this. You get my point? So now what we are going into for today, understand, is AI poster. Now this is the AI poster right here at the top left corner of your screen. You see right here. So when I click on AI poster, look at it here. So you're going to allow it. Now you have something like this. You say, what type of posters do you want to create? Now you can decide to use any of these ones, understand, or maybe as it is now, I can say branding. Maybe I will select branding. Now it will give you a caption. It's an auto-generated caption. You get my point? A professional branding poster for my barber shop designed to attract potential customers. But me, I'm not a barber, so I'm not going to use this one. So I will just tap on it. I will delete everything right here. I'll delete everything like what you're seeing right here. So I will decide to write I am a video editor. You can just write anything, or you get my point. I'll write I am a video editor. I don't even know how to compose right here. I'll just write Mr. Creating update. Then I can put full stop, say, alright, I teach how to edit videos. You get my point? Then maybe I will just leave it at that. I don't want to write much things here. You get my point? Then I can just leave it right there. Now the next thing to do is I'll just click here and add an image to take it to your gallery. Then you are going to select an image to use. So now I just brought in an image. You get my point? You can decide to use any image of your choice. So I decided to use this one. So you allow it to load. So now here is the image here. You get my point? Now the good part of it is that you can decide to change the size. So when you click on the settings below here, you see size. Now I want it to be, because I want it to be on YouTube. So I can decide to use YouTube thumbnail and or normal YouTube video size. Understand? All of these can use Instagram post. Let me use YouTube video right here. That's the size. Not as if they to convert it to video, so that you understand. You get my point? Then I will go to category here. Click on category. Now this is business. I'm using it for my business, not education. Okay, I can even add education here, understand, because I teach how to edit. You get my point? So if you are into maybe clothing or fashion, all those kind of things, you can go to maybe clothing, beauty, you can go to food and beverages, depending on the niche of which you are going to. You get my point? So when that is done, I just select education right here. Now you can generate it to, this is a smart script, but there is an advanced script. Okay, let me generate this one so that you will be able to see what I'm talking about. Though it will take a little time. You get my point? So if you are getting value from what I'm showing you right now, you get my point, do well to like this video. You know we need to grow so that we can discover more AI using Capcut app. You get my point? So allow it to generate it 100%. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button, do well to like this video, do well to comment whatever you think is the issue. Just comment, I'll be able to assist you 100%. You get my point? Now this thing takes a little time to load. It takes a little time to load, so you will be patient enough to allow it load. Okay, now look at it here. Yes, look at it, has started bringing out results. So this is AI. This are AI generated what do they call it, post. You get my point? So if you can click on anyone here, it will show you. Now look at it here. It tells you join Mr. Creating expert. Okay, join Mr. Creating for expert video editing tutorials. learn video editing now. Start editing today. So you see, this is something nice. You don't even stress yourself to start to design the colors you are looking for and all of that. Now let me show you. I would have loved to export it, but I want to show you how to use the advanced method to do it. Let's get back. Understand? I will quit. Now let's go back there. I'll just go back to all tools, click on AI posters. So this time around we are using the advanced script. So go to advanced script, so it will show you everything you need. This one you will need to input everything by yourself. You get my point? So now on this one you can just type here. It said discover latest styles, trendy women's jacket. Understand? So this one you will need to input everything. That's this one. The AI will not have to input all of those things the AI did when you were using smart script. Understand? Now this is the difference between you using smart script and the advanced script, because the advanced script is you yourself doing it, and the smart script is the one AI doing from the beginning to the end. You get my point? So me, I will just input whatever I want to be. Understand? Right here. So let me just do that in a second. Alright, so look at it here. I just wrote discover the best video editor and teacher using the Capcut app. For business inquiries, DM Mr. Creating update. Now I'm going to add my contact information right here. You get my point? So I'll just write here WhatsApp. Then I'll add my number right here, 09060401284 and 060401284. You get my point? So I will leave it right there. Let me just add international number so people will understand. Plus 234. So this is it. So I will just leave it right there. Then I will add click on this plus button here so that you'll be able to add your photo. So I'll click on it, then I'll add this photo right here. I just like adding that photo, so I'll add it, allow it to load. Now come down to the size. You see size here. So I'm selecting YouTube because I'm on YouTube, so I love YouTube, so I'll select YouTube. So I can just leave it here at YouTube. I use YouTube thumbnail or anyone. You can select anyone. So now marketing, you can just click on here. Maybe you will select branding, or you will select maybe promotion. Now category, you can go to category. Now check on which category your post is all about. So maybe you can come here and I can just use education. You get my point? So when all of this is set, click on generate. You get my point? So you give it a little time, it's going to generate a poster for you so that you can use for your business. You don't even need to pay anybody to generate a poster for you. With this, you can even do it better than what I'm just trying to show you an example of what to do with your Capcut AI. You get my point? Because so many of us don't know that we can do a lot of things here using Capcut AI. So let's see what we're gonna get. Alright, so look at them here. Just look at it here. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. You get my point? This is very, very beautiful. Now let me just select this one. You see you have a mode here. You can see show mode. They will show you a lot. So let me click on this particular one here. Let's see what is here. So like this one here, look at it here. Discover the best video editor and teacher. Shop now. For business inquiries, DM Mr. Creating update. You see, now this is a very good example of what I was telling you. Now you are able to get it, so you can even export it here as an image, as a picture. I don't know if you get my point. So this is just it. You get my point? So guys, do well to like and share this video, comment, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. You get my point?